SDK.finance. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new REST controller, add a new API in the OpenAPI Schema, generate the interface, and implement it in the project. First, open the OpenAPI Generator project and go to the Schema file. I want to create a new controller based on the existing authorization controller. To do that, I'll duplicate its section in the schema and change the name to Authorization Demo. I'll keep the same description for now. The tag field also needs to be updated. This defines the name of the new REST controller class. Next, I duplicate one of the existing API methods. In our case, it's the login method. I change the path, the summary, and most importantly, the operationId. This must be unique because it defines the method name in the generated Java interface. Then I update the API version to something like 2.5.0. After that, I compile and publish the updated OpenAPI project into the local Artifactory or Maven repository. That's it for the OpenAPI Generator part. Now let's move to the core project, where we implement the generated interface. First, make sure the new library version is connected. Then create a new class, Authorization Demo Controller, which implements the Authorization Demo API interface. Inside this class, we'll find the login demo method. For now, I'll just reuse the same business logic as in the original login method. Don't forget to update the dependency version in the pom.xml file before building the project. Now let's compile it. If everything builds successfully, we can move on to running the application. Before launching the app, I start the required Docker containers. Once the system is up, I test the new endpoint. Let's check. Yes, the new endpoint has been successfully duplicated. Everything is working as expected. Now, I want to show you how it behaves in background mode. I've added a few breakpoints in our new REST controller. We'll remove the breakpoint from the original authorization controller, so only the authorization demo controller remains active. Now, when I trigger the request, you can see that execution stops inside the new controller, confirming that it's handling the request.